Hello kids, today we are going to draw a beautiful donuts. Do you know Arna which donut we are going to draw?
No.
We are going to draw two donuts. One is unicorn donut and other one is rainbow donut.
Wow, unicorn donut and rainbow donut both are my favorite.
Wow, that's why we are going to draw this. For that we need paper, marker and few beautiful colors and any round shape. I have took this bowl from my kitchen. You can take any round shape. Start by drawing a round shape. I am drawing with the hand. If you don't feel comfortable, you can use any round shape. Anna, if you don't feel comfortable to draw a circle, you can use this, okay? Kids, you can use this like this. Draw a circle, slowly, slowly. Slowly, slowly. Yes, very good.
Oh,
Yes, perfect. Very good. Let's draw ears of this unicorn donut. For making the ears, I am drawing like this. You can start from here. Yes, and same way you can comes down like a leaf shape. Yes, inside of that ear you can make small one. Very good. Same way other ears. Yes. Good try. And inside that one small one. Very good. Now let's make eyes of this unicorn donut. For that I am drawing a circle. Very good. And this. And make it dark. Same way you can draw another eyes. Same way you can make it dark. Yes. Now inside this big circle, for making a donut we need a small circle, right? For that I am drawing a circle with my hand. If you don't feel comfortable, you can use any small shape. Yes, you can use this circle shape and make it a donut. Very good, good try. Now let's draw horn of the unicorn donut. For that, from the middle of this, I am drawing a triangle shape like this. You can start from here. Make a triangle shape. Yes, and inside there, like this, lines. Now let's make hair of the unicorn. Like a mango shape with that. You need to do like this and then curve, but it's okay. You will try. Okay. Now another one here and like this. Good. Same way like this. Very good. Let's draw circle for making it cute. Yes. Now let's draw a wavy line like this. Slowly, slowly. Now you need to do like this only, not too much wavy. But it's okay, okay? Now second one. Good. Third one. And last one. You can make one more line if you have space. Yes, very good. Our unicorn donut is done. Now let's draw another donut, that is rainbow donut. For that I am drawing a circle, a big circle. Yes, I'm done. Arna, you can use this one. Yes, here. You can draw a big circle. Yes, beautiful. Good job. Now, in the middle of this donut, make another one small circle. You can use this one to make a small circle. It's fun, huh? Donuts making is fun for kids.
That's very fun.
Yes. Now, for making a rainbow, first we are going to draw a clouds, right?
Yeah.
We are starting from here. Start with this cow. Yes. And another cow. And like another cow. Very good. One more. And join it with this circle. Yes. Same way. Cow. One more cow. One more. And one more. One more. And join with the circle. Yes, our cloud is done. Now let's draw rainbow over this cloud. For that, draw a semicircle. Yes, yes. Very good. One more like this semicircle. Yes. Yes. And one last one. Kids, you can draw as many as you want. Use your creativity to do something new. And now, here I am drawing a small, small circle to make it more attractive. Like a raindrops. Wow. The unicorn donut and rainbow donuts looks very cute. So let's color it. It's a coloring time.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round
our first unicorn donut is ready. Now let's do this one, rainbow donut. Let's get started.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Donuts are ready to eat.
Yum, 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 yum.
Wow, yum 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 yum. Okay, bye bye kids. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.